Hello, I'm Don Cowart, Director of Distribution and Logistics here at Force Protection Industries. In addition to saving heroes' lives, one of our missions is to ensure that our vehicles and service parts are fully accounted for and trackable in accordance with Department of Defense regulations. Using industry standard software, BarTender and IUID Comply made our job easier, more accurate, and more dependable. Come on inside and we'll talk to some people who use this every day.
Ever since 2003, when the DoD mandated that all their assets be tracked by something more than a pencil and paper, a process called Unique Identification, or IUID, was created.
As a manufacturer of forward deployed vehicles for our troops and governments around the world, we at Force Protection want to provide continuous improvement in tracking of all our vehicles and spare parts worldwide in accordance with the DoD regulations.
Force Protection's challenge was to manage the data and efficiently produce the data plate and communicate with the UID registry.
Having had ongoing success with the label software BarTender from Siegel Scientific in our production and shipping areas, we were creating mil standard 129P labels and RFID tags through our thermal printers. We were very pleased to learn the Danby Group was promoting a software solution which included BarTender software for our IUIDs.
IUID Comply manages all the data behind each asset and interacts with the IUID registry for force protection.
The Danby Group felt that the best way to solve this was to have one contiguous system that would create the IUID number, would command the printing of the data plate, and to upload the data into the UID registry. One contiguous system.
At A2B, we deliver barcode tracking systems that supports, on an enterprise scale, the DoD's initiative to implement IUID and mark equipment and track items down to the serial numbers on over 1 billion assets on a worldwide basis. Our main focus is to help make sure that UID policy and the technology foundation has been implemented appropriately.
We originally hand-stamped critical information onto our data plates for our equipment. Our first upgrade was to a .peen system. Even though it was an upgrade, the .peen system was a time-consuming process that involved gathering the data, manufacturing of the plate, data entry, and DoD registration. In this case, it took up to 6 hours to complete the process.
In addition to the data integrity issues, we needed to replace the noisy, inefficient .peen system for manufacturing data plates. We selected a CO2 laser. The information is transmitted from the UID Comply software through BarTender Commander to the CO2 laser to manufacture the plates accurately, efficiently, and quietly.
We now printed up to 50 plates an hour, and data entry is all automatic, providing the efficiency and continuous improvement to ourselves and the customers.
Force Protection saves time and money by relying on IUID Comply data management software for their UID compliance.
We were very excited to learn that our integration partner, the Danby Group, had the exact solution that matched our requirements. The IUID Comply software from A2B Tracking was the data engine we needed. It had already been successfully integrated with BarTender, achieving award-winning results.
Force Protection is a very professional company. It was a tremendous pleasure to bring the quality of IUID Comply and BarTender software together to provide a complete, easy-to-use system that solved the issues that Force Protection was having.
Partnering with Siegel Scientific allows us to offer the leading label design software for IUID compliance.
Knowing what assets the government has and where it is in theater is a fundamental to our mission of saving heroes' lives here at Force Protection.
Siegel Scientific is a technically savvy and responsive organization with a great product. In 2007, we were pleased to offer Siegel Scientific the Partner Excellence Award for the marriage of BarTender and UID Comply. That marriage has allowed for the printing capabilities to be enhanced by UID Comply.
In my role as the director of the Buffalo program, I don't always get to see the inner workings and finer details of our IUID program. But what I do see and what I hear from our customers all the time are the amazing results that we've seen since we implemented the integrated products from Siegel Scientific and A2B tracking solutions. Those products, along with the technical support that we get from the Danby Group, has allowed Force Protection to become recognized as the industry leader within the defense sector in our IUID program, and results like that speak for themselves.